In this video, I'm going to explain how many devices can use YouTube TV simultaneously and what the streaming limits are. With a standard YouTube TV subscription, you can stream on up to 3 devices at the same time in your household. This allows multiple family members or roommates to watch different shows, sports, or movies without interruptions. If you need more flexibility, YouTube TV offers an optional add-on called Unlimited Screens for an additional $25 per month. This upgrade removes the limit on simultaneous streams, making it ideal for larger households or situations where more people want to watch at once. However, Unlimited Screens is only available to existing subscribers and cannot be purchased as a standalone feature. It's important to note that all devices must be connected to the internet and signed into the same YouTube TV account. Additionally, YouTube TV enforces location-based restrictions, so all devices must stream from within your home area unless you're traveling temporarily, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how many devices can use YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.